Hello friends, my name is Manashri Manik Rathod and today I am going to share my experience that how I qualified my Maharashtra SET in my first attempt. First, I have done my MA English Literature from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University. Since I had a very keen interest in English literature, I did regular college and I also secured second rank in the Department of English. I was regular with my colleges. I was also regular with my studies. I started studying. I had everyone says, if you took a decision towards your dream, if you took one step towards your dream, God opens up the doors. God helps you. So God helped me. He provided me with two persons who guided me very much in my journey. First one is Naneshwar Dada and second one is Ghansham Dada. So I met them. They were the seniors in the department, and while having a chit chat, they said that they are preparing for NET set. From Naneshwar Dada was preparing from 3 years and Ghansham Dada was preparing for 5 years. So I understood what they said, and me being very curious and enthusiastic, I the next day I joined their library. I was going to the library. I used to travel 8 to 10 kilometers because we stayed far away from the university. So I used to travel 8 to 10 kilometers to the university. I used to take my lunch box, and then I used to again travel 4 to 5 kilometers, and I used to sit with this learned people who are experienced, who are giving this NET set exam. So I used to sit with them because it was very important for me to understand the pattern, to understand that how they are studying, to understand what are the mistakes that they have made due to which they cannot qualify. And I on my part was very cautious about not making the same mistakes that they have done. I was very curious and enthusiastic to understand how to study. They gave me the syllabus. They said me that what are the YouTube platforms that I should follow. They gave me the authentic platforms that I should follow. I listened to them. I followed whatever they said. And the one thing which I noticed that while listening to YouTube videos, most of the students, they just listen to YouTube videos, and due to which they cannot qualify. But I had this pact made in my heart that whenever I will listen to a certain video, maybe it is of 1 hour, I will take 3 hours more to complete it. But I used to write each and every sentence which is said in the video. Like I have made notes of literary theory, literary criticism, romanticism according to the ages. I have also made notes according to the ages. First, I have made the notes of literary theory and criticism, which is very important in English literature paper 2, and same I have done for paper 1. So I did this, I followed this. I have my notes. I will show it to you. So I don't think so. I think the camera is what I will do, I will put it so like this. I used to write the notes, like this. No, it is again, I don't know how to show it, but I have written this notes. This of literary theory. I will only explain you how. See, now I have written I.A. Richards. Now his works, I have written it, what he has said in his works, then the second work, then what he has said in other work, then his work, what this is saying, 4 types of meaning. What are the meaning? Sense, feeling, tone and intention. So I have not only written of I.A. Richards, William Ibsen, then later of Julia Kristeva. I have wrote every theorist in English literature. I wrote about them, what they did, what are their works, what they discussed in their works, and what are the key main topics. After doing that, I used to watch to Dhanaya sir's video for paper 1. For paper 1, I used to prefer Dhanaya sir because he used to talk on the point. He was not like talking very detail, and he was not giving all the things that are not important. He was very precise and to the point, and also he made jokes in between, which made me laugh, which made me enthusiastic, which made me to come back with a fresh mind. So I followed Dhanaya sir for paper 1. I used his notebooks as well as his videos. I have made his notes also. While he used to taught, he used to write something on the board and he used to teach it. All the models of communication, everything. So I used to do, I used to write everything that sir used to write on the board. And this is my core habit of making notes. Making notes is very important. Making notes is a game changer, guys. If you are making notes, you are going to qualify the exam 110%. If you are not making the notes, then you are doing a folly, you are doing a mistake. You might take 2-3 years, but if you are making a notes, you can qualify like me in the first attempt. It is my privilege to qualify it. I have also worked very hard. I have I have sacrificed a lot of things, but I qualified. And ही जी खुशी आहे ती कुठंच नाही. म्हणजे the happiness I am feeling right now after qualifying, it is nowhere. And at the right time, right people. I met with the right people. I didn't hang out with the people like my classmates. I used to not hang out with them because at this point of time, जर तुम्ही एक्सपिरियन्स लोकांसोबत राहाल तर तुम्हाला एक्सपिरियन्स भेटेल. जर तुम्ही तुमच्याच पातळीच्या लोकांसोबत राहाल तर होऊ शकतं की तुम्हाला नाही का डिस्ट्रॅक्शनची जास्त अवेलेबिलिटीज आहे. बट आय वॉज व्हेरी फोकस्ड to crack, and that too in my first attempt. So these are my romanticism notes. This is William Wordsworth, all his quotes. I have written everything. Anton Chekhov, see, Anton Chekhov, drama, romanticism. I made each and every notes for paper 1, paper 2, and then I can say that with my hard work, with consistent revision, with following Dhanaya sir's advice and the two bhaiyas that I mentioned their advice, I am qualified. And with me, the bhaiyas are also qualified. So it is a great moment for us because we did what we wanted to do. We studied, we togetherly studied. Not like मतलब ऐसे साथ में बैठ के नहीं पढ़े. They were in their compartments in the library and I was in mine. 3 years I took their I understood what is the pattern, how to study, what are the authentic videos. After knowing that, I did my self study and they did theirs and we qualified it togetherly. I also referred World Literature by Pramod K. Nair. It was the best book by far. I have made various notes from it and it will also help you for paper 2. Thank you. Today, as I qualified this SET exam in my first attempt, at the age of 23, I have joined a college as a senior lecturer on the CHB post in most of the renowned, reputed college that is in Sambhajinagar called as SB College. And I also got called from my own college, Devgiri College, as well as another various college, Mahila College, Azad College. Today, because I worked hard, I made my decisions, I made my choices clear. I didn't wasted my time. I studied consistently. I gave my efforts. I sacrificed parties. I sacrificed going out with friends in cafes. I sacrificed all the things that usually girls of my age do. And I have succeeded. Now I can enjoy each and every bit of my life. But this journey is called the journey of sacrifices. And then comes the main खुशी, that is qualifying the exam in your first attempt. ह्याच्याशी एवढी खुशी कुठेच नाही. ही खुशी भेटल्यावरती खूप काय करू शकतो आपण. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट मध्ये क्वालिफाय झाल्यावरती when we see the smile on the faces of our parents, like they are so proud की आमच्या मुलींनी करून दाखवलं. So that is the happiness that all matters, not the sacrifices. The journey is important, not the destination. So stay consistent with your journey, work hard, study hard, make the sacrifices right now and enjoy the rest of your life. Thank you. Follow me for more. My account name is @Manashri Rathod. Everything in small letter 3121. Yes.